Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying essentials so we don't chase ghosts. First, confirm the Devant TV and the streaming module are powered and show status lights. This rules out simple power faults. Next, confirm you're on the correct Wi-Fi with at least 2 bars and the password entered. Weak signal kills streams. Finally, open the YouTube app and check you're signed in and the app reports a version. Once done, you'll be ready to move into network and app fixes. Now you tackle the complex middle steps that usually restore playback. Restart the router and the TV's streaming module, waiting 60 seconds to clear DHCP and buffer states. This resolves many connectivity hangs. Then clear the YouTube app cache on the TV, force stop it, and relaunch so corrupted temporary files don't block playback. If problems persist, update the TV firmware and YouTube app. If the store lacks an update, sideload the latest stable. Finish by validating playback and using one key troubleshooting tactic. Play a 720p YouTube clip to verify steady streaming without buffering. This tests both connection and decoder performance. If stalls persist, change the DNS to 8. 8, 8, 8 or 1. 1, 1, 1 on your router. This often resolves routing or resolution blocks. If none of that works, perform a factory reset on the Devant TV as a last resort, but make sure you back up credentials and settings first. If issues continue, contact support with logs and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.